Minasan, konnichiwa, Zamurai Engineer desu. This is the 10th part of the introductory portion to managerial accounting. Corporate social responsibility is another concept that is being used by almost all of the companies right now, particularly the big ones. The bigger they are, the more responsibility they experience, they feel. No? CSR is a concept whereby organizations consider the needs of all stakeholders when making decisions, not only the board. Okay? They ask the customers, employees, suppliers, not only ask, they can ask it indirectly or directly. There are several methods. They ask the community, they ask the stakeholders, they ask the environmental and human rights advocates. So another stakeholder, not only stakeholders in the board of directors, but also human rights advocates and environmental advocates. CSR extends beyond legal compliance to include voluntary action that satisfy stakeholder expectation. These are voluntary activities, okay, that only creates expense for the company, but in doing so, they gain an effective credibility, positive positive impression from the public. No? So, examples of corporate social responsibility: companies should provide customers with safe, high-quality products that are fairly priced, competent courteous, and rapid delivery, full disclosure of product-related risks, easy-to-use information system for shopping and tracking orders. Okay. Number two, companies, that is for customers. Companies should provide suppliers with fair contract terms, prompt payments, reasonable time to prepare orders, do not demand impossible request from the supplier, hassle-free acceptance of timely and complete deliveries, cooperative rather than unilateral actions. What about against stakeholders? Companies should provide stakeholders with competent management, easy access to complete and accurate financial information, disclosure of enterprise risk, honest answer to knowledgeable questions. How about their own employees? Provide them safe and human working conditions, non-discriminatory treatments, fair compensation, opportunities for training, promotion, personal development. Companies should provide also the community with what? Payment for fair taxes, honest information about plans, such as plant closings. Okay? That is your responsibility to the community. Okay? Resources that support charities, schools, and civic activities. Okay? Reasonable access to media sources. Okay? And for the environmental or human rights advocates, companies should or must or may implement greenhouse gas emission data to help advocates analyze recycling and resource conservation data, child labor transparency, full disclosure of supplier located in developing countries. Okay, so these are some of the CSR. There are limitless CSR activities that a company may deal with. So These are now the 10 important concepts, and they are very much important to a certified management accountant because of the job that is not only recording for financial aspect, but the holistic and better decision-making process of the company. Okay. Certified management accountant, they have rigorous professional exam, greater responsibility, they have higher compensation because they are for the support of the decision makers in the company. Internationally, they have this contact information. In our country, we do not have, so if you are interested, you can directly go to this link and even inquire if you can be allowed to be a member or be one of these. No? So that's all about our introduction to management accounting. So management accounting is related but not the same with financial accounting. So we review financial accounting because it is necessary for you to get substantial familiarity of what is accounting is all about. And now we will go in deeper and deeper into managerial accounting. Again, this is Dr. EYPEI, preaching engineering for nation building.